So what did Biden say that caused the NASDAQ market to drop today? What's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions, and we're going to talk about just that. So I really hope that you learned something new. Please destroy that like button. And of course, if you learned something new, consider subscribing. So today, Biden spoke for just a couple of minutes and gave an update on this emergency bill for Ukraine that we've all been waiting for. They originally asked for a little bit over $6 billion, if I'm not mistaken. Now they are at $13.6 billion. Comment down below. Do you guys think that that is necessary? Not only is it $13.6 billion in a humanitarian relief bill for Ukraine, but it's under a $1.5 trillion, with a T, $1.5 trillion bill that already passed through Congress that is on its way. And this kind of just seems like deja vu, right? Because it was about a year and a half ago that through this whole COVID and this pandemic, that they were passing $1.5 trillion bills for all these stimulus checks. And you guys know why the market's dropping, the past 2 months? It's because of all those stimulus checks, right? So inflation is already so bad. And now we continue to pass this that's only going to further influence inflation in the United States. With that being said, again, comment down below. Do you think this was the right move for the United States? That's not my job, right? So maybe you guys can give me some more insight on your guys' opinion down in the comment section. With that being said, as you guys know, anytime that there is more money printed, what happens? Well, inflation happens. And then when inflation happens, then the feds have to raise interest rates to moderate inflation. This is why we're seeing tech stocks more than anything else, the NASDAQ market, drop today. The Dow Jones, they're okay. S&P 500, it's a break-even day. The NASDAQ market, which has a big focus on tech, dropping. Let's go ahead and jump right into my screen. As you guys can see, lower highs, lower lows, and it was shortly after he spoke that we saw a consistent selling pressure really driving the price down for the overall NASDAQ market and everything that falls underneath this. So this is the whole reason I'm making this video, is a lot of you guys are invested in tech stocks, right? And sometimes it's scary when you don't understand what is causing all of this selling pressure. And this video is just that, to inform you what is causing that selling pressure and what's to come. This relief bill of the $1.5 trillion is set to take part as of today, moving forward all the way up to September. I really hope that, and I'm sure all of us just want Russia and Ukraine to figure their stuff out, really just Russia, right? And leave the Ukrainian people just alone. It is to be said that the Russian stock market has to be opened next week or the week that follows. With that being said, the market for the Russian stock market is bound to absolutely crash. It is to be said because of all these blockages that not only the United States is trying to implement, but as well as NATO. That's all of our ally countries, right? All of the ally nations, by them blocking any form of imports and exports out of Russia, this is to influence their GDP by 50%. I think that's personally a very bold statement, but I guess we'll just have to follow up. Will Putin actually be the one that takes the biggest hit? Or, as we tend to see often, is it always just the people that are under that specific ruler that get negatively influenced the most, right? I would love to actually, I don't even know if people in Russia can see this video. I would love to learn more about your current situation over there and to see and learn more about how you guys feel about it. It's just so unfortunate. I can't even imagine how I would feel if I was in a position where almost my dictator, right, is doing all these things. Now the entire world hates our country and we're losing money, right? It's just putting us in a very unfortunate situation that's very uncontrolled. So again, please feel free to share your opinions down in the comment section. I simply wanted to update you guys not only on what is going on and what is causing the NASDAQ market to drop, but also what is to be announced in the next couple of weeks with the Russia stock market now finally opening. So I'm very excited to follow up. I appreciate your guys' time. And again, if you guys are brand new to the stock market or if you're brand new to trading, I do have an absolute free Discord group. It's free. You guys can join and it's the first link in the description. We have thousands and thousands of members all over the world. And again, that is that first link down below. And once you join, feel free to message me, introduce yourself. I want to learn more about you and your goals. If you guys are ready to join my Learn, Plan, Profit team, they're the team that get to watch me trade live every single day. And if you want to be a part of that, take 1 minute. click the second link down in the description and learn a little bit more about our Learn Plan Profit group and what it's like to watch me trade live every single day. I appreciate your time. Like always, hope I earned your thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.